Right, so I was made aware that a lot of people are talking about street lights going from whatever white they are to kind of a purple bluish color. And I've seen some people explain it, but actually no one gave an actual demo. And I knew for a fact that I had some of these very high power, very expensive LEDs lying around which do have this problem that the phosphor comes off. So without further ado, let's just check it with the phosphor ever so slightly attached, right? You can see it's some kind of a white. This one has fallen off. Check this out. Boom. And it is this deep, insanely soul-piercing color. Right? You can see it's making the other LED actually glow white. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, you can see it's making the phosphor glow. It's characteristic white, and for the purposes of a full demo, let's actually take the phosphor off of one. Let's see how we can frame this. Boom. And there it goes. And this is why you get the bluer tint on the edge of these lights, because not a lot of phosphor is perhaps on that light path, and just it comes across a lot bluer. Oh my god, I looked at it. I'm blind now. Anyway, but that's kind of the whole demo. I hope this was informative. Have a good one.